Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Turn on transparency effects in settings so Windows will honor acrylic and blur changes. Once done, open Registry Editor as administrator and navigate to the Explorer keys for taskbar/search visuals. Make a full registry export first so you can revert if needed. Now that you have a backup and settings enabled, you're ready to create or modify the values that control the search box transparency. Don't skip the backup. You'll now apply the actual changes. Create or set use OLED taskbar transparency to 1 to enable the stronger acrylic effect, and add taskbar acrylic opacity as a word with a value between 0 clear and 255 opaque to dial transparency. Make sure you place these values under the correct Explorer key. If you prefer a GUI, install Translucent TB or Explorer Patcher and configure the search box transparency there. These tools change the same visual parameters. Finish by restarting Windows Explorer or signing out and back in so the new values take effect. A reboot is the safest option. If the search bar remains unchanged, make sure transparency effects are still enabled and that you edited the correct user hive with elevated permissions. As a key troubleshooting tip, if visuals break or nothing helps, import the registry export you saved to revert, then try the GUI tool approach instead. That often resolves version-specific compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.